Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is YasTech and in today's video we are going to learn about network topology and its types. In this video we will be discussing the mesh network topology, a key concept in computer networking and data communication. While for the other types of network topology, stay tuned. Network topology is a very important topic, particularly for your board exam perspective. So I will try to give you clear explanation and example to help you to understand what is mesh topology, how does it work, its advantages, and finally we will come to disadvantages. So stay with me till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more clear and simple tech content. Before going to understand the mesh network topology, it is very important to know about what is network topology. A network topology refers to the structure or the layout of how devices are connected in computer network. It defines the way data flows between devices and how communication is established across the network. There are two major categories of network arrangement or topology, such as physical or logical. The physical topology showing the actual placement of cable and hardware, while the logical arrangement describes the path data takes within network or flow of data inside the network. Choosing the right topology is very crucial as it affects the network performance, reliability, scalability, and ease of maintenance. Whether for a small setup or a large-scale system, understanding the network topology helps in designing the network that are both efficient and organized. Network topologies can be divided into four major categories, such as mesh, star, bus, and ring topology. While there are also hybrid and tree topology, but these are not included in your textbook or syllabus. So let's get started with the mesh topology, where we will try to understand what is mesh topology, its working procedure, along with advantages and disadvantages. In this section, we are going to learn about the mesh network topology. A mesh topology is a type of network arrangement where every device is connected to every other device in the network. There is a dedicated point-to-point link between any two devices in the network. It means that this link can only be used by those two devices in the network. For the n number of devices, there is n-1 links or connection for each device. Similarly, the number of links or cables required for overall network can be obtained by using the formula such as n to n-1 divided by 2. Let's suppose we have 4 devices connected in the network, so here the values of n is 4. Now we are going to find the number of links or cable using that formula. After applying this formula, it obtained the value 6, which means 6 cables or wires are required for the 4 devices in the network. Now let's confirm it diagrammatically, as in this network, the number of nodes or computers are 4, so we see that the number of links or cables are 6. The mesh topology has two different structures, such as fully connected mesh topology or partially connected mesh topology. In fully connected, every device must be connected with every other device in the mesh network. While in partially connected topology, it is not necessary for every device to be connected with every other device in the network as given in the diagram. In this segment of video, we will try to understand how the data communication takes place in mesh type network. In mesh topology, every device is connected to every other device in the network setup. This means if one device wants to send data to another, it can send it directly without going through any middle device. The data moves quickly and many devices can talk to each other at the same time without any significant problems. This can be seen in this diagram where all the devices are talking to each other independently. The good thing about this type of topology is that if one path is not working or gets broken, then the data can take another path to reach its destination. This makes the network very reliable because it keeps working even if one connection fails. For example, in this network, device A is connected to device B, C, and D, and if the connection between A and C fails, then data from A to C can still reach through B or D node. This redundancy ensures no single point of failure. This is the major reason that mesh topology is used in places where communication must always stay active, like in the military, factories, or smart city system. In this section, we are about to discuss the different advantages of mesh topology. Let's talk about the mesh advantages. The first one is simultaneous transmission. Mesh network supports simultaneous transmission of data among the connected devices. It has the potential to support high network traffic due to the dedicated point-to-point link among the connected devices. Each link carries data only between two specific devices, reducing the congestion and improving the performance of the network. The second advantage is about fault tolerance. A failure in one link or device doesn't affect the entire network as the data can be routed through other paths in the network. And lastly, easy modification. The adding or the removal of node doesn't affect the working of other nodes in the network. In this section, we are about to discuss the different disadvantages of mesh topology. The first disadvantage of mesh topology about the redundant connection. The high number of links or connection is also a major concern. It becomes very hard for the network engineer or administrator to handle the mesh type of network. Second issue is about high overall cost. Because mesh topology creates a redundant connection between every pair of devices, it requires a lot of cables and ports, which makes it quite expensive to set up. And finally, we come to the setup and maintenance issues. Connecting every device to every other device is time consuming and requires careful planning and configuration. More connection means more chances of failure, which can make maintenance and management of the network very complex. Thanks for watching this video. If you still have any confusion, then feel free to drop your question in the comment section. I will try my level best to answer your queries.